I was put in jail when I was 21 years old for something I have not done.
In conspiracy theories that were doing the rounds on social media and messaging apps recently, Suraj Pancholi was accused of having a connection with Sushant Singh Rajput's death. As per the messages going around, it was alleged that Suraj was romantically involved with Sushant's manager Disha Salian, who passed away a few days before Sushant, and that Sushant too paid the price of knowing about their ill-fated romance. Actor Suraj Pancholi's mother Zarina Wahab has come out strongly against rumors linking her son to actor Sushant Singh Rajput's demise and has said that the two were like brothers. Suraj Pancholi, whose name has come up in these conspiracy theories which are doing the rounds on social media and messaging apps, has already been fighting a legal battle in the case of Jia Khan, who passed away in 2013. लेकिन इन रूमर्स को स्ट्रांगली डिनाई करते हुए सूरज की मॉम एक्टर जरीना वहाब ने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा है कि उनके बेटे का सुशांत के केस से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. She has quashed all the rumors and allegations, calling them completely false. एक लीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर के साथ इंटरव्यू देते हुए जरीना वहाब ने कहा, People are unnecessarily dragging Suraj into this. They just need a helpless person to blame everything for. He has nothing to do with Sushant Singh Rajput's case. People are just cooking stories. Suraj and Sushant were not friends as such, but they knew each other and they spoke to each other cordially whenever they met. They called each other brother. Suraj is currently fighting a court case where he has been accused of abetting the demise of his then girlfriend Jia Khan, who passed away in 2013.
I have been accused in my case, and you guys, an accused cannot do anything. You can accuse anybody, any single one, and there will be a case on you no matter what.
Suraj had shared in a post on his social media that in spite of all the hate and anger coming his way, he has been fighting the case with patience to prove himself innocent. I have been fighting the case in court for the last 6 years with patience and respect, waiting for the trial to be completed. And my heartfelt effort has always been to be strong, respectful, and ignore it. But they still fill my and my loved one's heart with so much sadness. I don't blame the people who call me names because that's how I have been portrayed in public. But I'm not the monster that has been portrayed in headlines. शायद इसीलिए ये नए एक्यूजेशंस आने के बाद सूरज की मॉम अपने बेटे को डिफेंड और सपोर्ट कर रही है and has called out those who spread these false rumors without thinking about the impact it can have on someone's mental health. Zarina said, "It is not right to take advantage of someone's helpless situation. People do not fear anybody. I think people have too much free time to do these kind of things. It is easy to sit behind a computer and talk about people. They don't think about how these things will affect the concerned person. Suraj has already gone through so much in his life. How can someone kill someone whom he has known only for a few months?" The police continue their investigations into the case और यही उम्मीद की जा सकती है कि शायद उनकी छानबीन से कोई answers या explanations मिल सके about why the talented star chose to take this extreme step.